create the comic book style of repaint. All right, next, acid lime, phthalo green, and sun yellow. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. Lagi niya tayong sinusuportahan sa mga custom repainted na mga projects natin. Lalo na dito sa Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Medyo matagal ko na rin tong um, gustong gawin na project talaga. Medyo mahirap lang maghanap ng stocks nito kasi this is the Mirage version. Yung lahat na bandana nila color red. And then for the second layer of highlights, talo green, acid, slime, and white. So ganun lang yung application natin. Lighter and lighter shades lang yung application. Pero make sure na cure na or dry na yung previous layer before you apply the next layer. And then sa brush strokes naman, very gestural yung mga ginagamit kong brush strokes dito. So unang-una yung pressure high. So ibig sabihin madiin. Tapos when you kada hagod ko